If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair, nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They aren't engineers or technicians, and despite their friendly on-camera personas, their goal isn't to educate or protect you. They're salespeople, paid to promote products and willing to say almost anything necessary to drive clicks through their discount links. We're DIYsolar.com. For the past 27 years, we've provided heavy-duty iron-core transformer-based solar inverter systems with massive surge capacity, long life, and real-world industrial engineering designed to weather the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent.
No matter what the weather brings, keep your lights and appliances powered up with a DIY battery backup solar system from DIYsolar.com. We guarantee the lowest prices on the highest performance DIY energy systems on the planet.
Looking for power that won't let you down. DIY Solar's the talk of the town. They've got the juice, they've got the spark, lighting up dreams when the nights get dark. Best price, best service, it's what they do. Power your life with a system that's true. No grid, no limits, just free energy. DIYsolar.com is the one for me. The sun's your friend and the grid's your foe. Why pay for power when the sun's a go? They've got the tech, they've got the brains. DIY Solar breaks the chains. No more bills, no more sighs.
We use only the finest inverters, batteries, switchgear, and solar modules in our DIY off-grid solar systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, failure-prone, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our low-frequency, transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances like our competitors' transformerless inverters can. Whether you need to keep the lighting and sound system going at the next mega concert in the desert, or you need to keep your home's lights and appliances going during the next megastorm, DIYsolar.com has got you covered. With the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service.
Plug into the sun, it's a golden stream, fueling your life like a solar dream. No wires, no ties, just a brighter scene. DIY Solar keeps it green.